guys, Justin Johnson here at MarineMax in Clearwater. Today we're standing on a fresh arrival. This is the Boston Whaler 33 Outrage. This is personally my favorite Boston Whaler that we make, and you'll see why here in a few moments. Just to start out with, this boat is powered by twin Mercury 300 V8s. This boat can also come in 400s. Go ahead and step in the cockpit here. There are a few different options here we can do for the leaning posts, but on this one in particular, we went ahead and did the slide-out Yeti cooler with a sink and a wet bar. It's a nice little area to put a few drinks and ice in here, maybe some dead bait if you're going offshore fishing. And we'll move up to the helm real quick. This one we do have twin 16-inch Ray Marines with our vessel view screen here. Also a glove box with phone chargers, which is very, very nice. And of course, you can't forget your autopilot. You'll notice here on the windshield we have the vents. Very nice for airflow on those hot days for that long run offshore. And we'll go ahead and move up to the bow. This is probably one of the best parts of this boat. One of the most unique parts of this boat is how big this sun lounge is. So for the husband that wants to fish and for the wife that wants to hang out, this is the perfect compromise right here, guys. Then what's really amazing is underneath this compartment, the amount of storage. Just absolutely incredible. This one we went ahead and did the scuba tank racks. And these are actually sunshades, one for the bow and one for the stern. And last but not least, all the way forward here at the bow, we do have cushions. And underneath this one in particular, there is a very large insulated box for a cooler. And then your windlass is well integrated underneath this hatch. If you'd like to know more about this 33 Outrage or any other of our models, feel free to reach out to me. Again, my name is Justin Johnson at MarineMax in Clearwater. My phone number is 813-424-6084. I look forward to seeing you on the water.